Welcome to CIE Math Solutions. In this video, we will continue the series of math tutorial videos about sequences and series. In today's video, we will learn another way of finding the specific terms of an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression given any two of its terms. Welcome to another video of CIE Math Solutions. In the previous videos, we have already discussed the process of finding the specific terms of an arithmetic sequence given its general rule. We have also discussed the process of finding the specific terms given its first three terms. We have also explored the use of simultaneous equations in finding the specific terms of an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression given any two of its terms. The playlist containing these videos, together with other math tutorial videos about sequences and series, are found on the link above this video or in the description below. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon for you to be notified when new videos are uploaded. If you have already subscribed, please watch, like and share the videos of the channel. Thank you. In this video, we will focus on finding the specific terms of an arithmetic sequence or progression given any two of its terms using the shortcut method involving the common difference of the sequence. But before we proceed, let us have a quick recall of the prerequisite concepts needed. First, the basic concepts of arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Second, the fastest way of finding the common difference of an arithmetic sequence or progression given any two of its terms. For the first prerequisite concept, the basic concepts of arithmetic sequence. Given an arithmetic sequence with terms 21, 24, and 27, the terms 21, 24, and 27 are denoted by AN. In this arithmetic sequence then, the first term or A1 is 21, the second term or A2 is 24, the third term or A3 is 27. An arithmetic sequence also have a common difference, which is denoted by D. In this sequence then, the common difference is equal to 27 minus 24 or 24 minus 21. Both of them will give us the value of 3. The common difference then of this arithmetic sequence is equal to 3. If you would like to learn more and practice more on these basic concepts of arithmetic sequence, you may click the link above this video or on the description below. The next prerequisite concept needed is finding the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. For example, the fifth and ninth terms of an arithmetic sequence or progression are 15 and 39 respectively. Find the common difference. Take note that before we could go from A5 to A9, illustrating them, we need to add the common difference to each of these terms from A5 to A9. We will then have plus D to go to A6, plus D to go to A7, plus D to go to A8, and plus D to go to A9. Take note that before we could go from A5 to A9, we need to add 4 Ds or 4 common differences from A5 to A9. We can actually get this by subtracting the orders of the terms, that is 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. We also need to subtract the given terms, which are 39 and 15, The difference then is equal to 24. This means that there are 4 D's added from A5 to A9, which is equal to 24. Dividing both sides by 4, we will then have D is equal to 6. The common difference then of this arithmetic sequence is equal to 6. Now let us use these prerequisite concepts in finding the specific terms of an arithmetic sequence or progression given any two of its terms. For example, the 5th term and 13th term of an arithmetic sequence or progression are 38 and 94 respectively. Find A8, A15, A40. Before we could find the specific terms, let us find first the common difference. To do that, let us identify the given. We have A13, which is equal to 94, and A5, which is equal to 38. We will then subtract the orders of the terms, that is, 13 minus 5, which is equal to 8. There are 8 D's then added from A5 to A13. Subtracting the terms, we will have then 94 minus 38. The difference then that we get is equal to 56. This means that 8D is equal to 56. Dividing both sides by 8, we will then have D is equal to 7. The common difference then of this arithmetic sequence is equal to 7. We can now use this common difference to find the specific terms. For the first item, the 8th term, or A8, take note that the value of D is 7. We then now represent A8 in terms of the given terms, either A5, which is the 5th term, or A13, which is the 13th term. If we will use A5, we will then have A8 is equal to A5 plus 3D. This means that before we could reach A8, starting from A5, we need to add 3 D's on it. Substituting the values, we will then have 38, which is A5, plus 3 times 7, which is the common difference. Simplifying the value, A8 now is equal to 59. The 8th term then of the arithmetic sequence is 59. For the second item, which is the 15th term, or A15, the value of D is still 7. We will then have A15 is equal to A13 plus 2D. We will now substitute the values of A13 and D. We will then have 94 plus 2 times 7. Simplifying, the value now is equal to 108. The 15th term then of this arithmetic sequence is 108. The third item, which is the 40th term, or A40, again the common difference is 7. We can then rename A40 in terms of the given terms. We will then have A40 is equal to A13 plus 27D. Substituting the values of A13 and D, we will then have 94 plus 27 times 7, which is equal to 283. The 40th term then of this arithmetic sequence is equal to 283. To summarize the answers of these items, we will then have A8 is equal to 59, A15 or the 15th term is 108, A40 or 40th term is 283. Now it's your turn. The 8th term and 17th term of an arithmetic sequence or progression are 52 and 88 respectively. Find A1, A12, A28, and A42. If you would like to try to answer these items, please pause the video for a while, and when you are done, press the play button to check your answer. Now let us have the answer. Starting off with the given, we will then have A17, which is 88, and A8, which is 52. To find the number of these added from A8 to A17, we can then subtract the orders of the terms. We will then have 17, which is from A17, minus 8, which is from A8. Difference between this will be 9. This means that there are 9 D's added from A8 up to A17. We can now subtract the given terms. We have now 88, which is the 17th term, minus 52, which is the 8th term. The difference is 36. That means we then have 9D, which is equal to 36. Dividing both sides by 9, we will then have D is equal to 4. The common difference then of this arithmetic sequence is equal to 4. We can now use this common difference to find the specific terms. For the first item, which is the first term, or A1, we could say that A8 is equal to A1 plus 7D. Or we could have A1 is equal to A8 minus 7D. That means there are 7 D's added from A1 to A8. Substituting the values, A1 then will be equivalent to 52, which is the 8th term, minus the 7D, which is 7 times 4. Simplifying this will give us A1 is equal to 24. The first term then of this arithmetic sequence is equal to 24. For the second item, which is the 12th term, or A12, the common difference is still 7. A12 then could be renamed as A8 plus 4D. Substituting the values, we will then have 52 plus 4 times 4, which is the common difference. The value now of A12 is equal to 68. The 12th term is equal to 68. For the third item, which is the 20th term, or A28, still the value of D is equal to 4. We can now rename A28 by A17 plus 11D. Substituting the values, 88 plus 11 times 4, which is equal to 132. For the fourth item, which is A42, or the 42nd term, again the value of D is equal to 4. A42 then is equal to A17 plus 25D. We then have 88 plus 25 times 4, which is equal to 188. To summarize the answers of these items, we now have A1, which is equal to 24, A12 is equal to 68, A28 is equal to 132, and A42 is equal to 108. If you got the answers correct, then congratulations! You now know how to find the specific terms of an arithmetic sequence or progression given any two of its terms. If you did not get all the answers correct, don't worry, you can still practice more. You may also answer the following homework. The fourth term and 21st term of an arithmetic sequence or progression are 7 and negative 95 respectively. Find A15, A26, A63. If you are done answering these items and you would like to check if your answers are correct, type them down on the comment section below. I will soon reply to your comment verifying your answers. In summary, to find the specific terms of an arithmetic sequence or progression given any two of its terms, find the common difference of the arithmetic sequence using the shortcut method. Second, add or subtract the multiples of the common difference between the given term and the specified term. Third, substitute the needed values and simplify. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on math proofs and derivations, math tutorial videos, solve items from international exams, math tricks and puzzles, math resources, and more, please don't forget to watch, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much for your continued support to CIE Math Solutions.